Hey, what's going on? This is Ace come to you, and I want to share a strategy that I've been talking about, but I'm going to do my best and I'm going to provide illustrations to help lock it in. You never have to lose the use of your money in some shape, form, or fashion, even though you are spending it. What the heck does that mean? Well, I want to introduce you to the BEST retirement program. BEST stands for Business Exit Strategy Technique. This is something that works tremendously in favor of business owners and individuals who think and operate their personal finances as a business. So let's take a look at this in a little more detail. What is the BEST about? Well, it's when you take money, a bucket of money that you have been creating. Let's say you have a rollover from a retirement that you had from somewhere else. We're just going to use this for illustration purposes. It can be money that's accumulated over time or a big bucket of money that has been accumulated over time and it goes into the best retirement fund, right? What happens? Well, when you're dealing with an insurance companies operate very differently than any other financial institution. What do I mean by that? They allow you to do something what I love to say is double dip your money. What the heck does that mean? I'm going to do my best to share with you so you understand. Now, when you have a lump sum of money and you are going to roll it into or drop it into the best retirement fund, what are you doing? You're leveraging, you're multiplying your money. So, what happens is you put your money into the best retirement fund. When you put it into the best retirement fund, this is the initial amount of money that you dropped into the policy here. And let's call that 100K, just for easy numbers because it's easier to talk about that. All right, so you drop 100K into the best retirement fund. But now this is your, we'll say, cash value. I was just going to say CV or cash value. This over here is the insurance company's cash reserve. The way the best retirement fund is set up, you have a cash value and you have a cash reserve. The cash value is what you put into the policy. It's either lump sum or monthly trickling in. And the cash reserve is the bucket that the life insurance company has. And this can equal in the trillions. It's a lot of money in the cash reserve. Now, in order to free up the cash reserve, the insurance company is able to money, loan you your cash from your cash value. They don't take it from your cash value, though. They take it from the cash reserve. So let's right here in the middle, you request a loan for $50,000. Loan request. All right, so there's your loan request. And then they look into your policy to see, do you have the money? Yes, you have $100,000 right there. So they grant the loan. The money does not come from your cash value. No, it doesn't. It comes from the cash reserve. So that allows your $100,000 to continue to grow and compound as if it was never used. You're double dipping, you're using the same money twice. Now, you borrow the money out of the cash reserve from the insurance company. What are you doing? Well, you're magnifying and multiplying your money. you're double dipping. This allows you to maximize your money. I tell this story because this is an individual. There was a client that was of an agency, and this individual did not understand this process here. Because the education was missed, the individual received 100,000, and instead of putting it in the best retirement fund and then borrowing the money back out, and there'll be other videos that I'll go into how the loan borrowing money is not a negative thing or a bad thing. Is actually, when you understand compound interest, you earn it. When you don't, you spend it or you pay it. All right. So other videos will go into more detail about that. But if this individual, instead of spending the 100,000, let's say they spent 50, which is the loan amount in this example, if they would have spent $50,000 without putting the money in the best retirement fund, their balance in their account is what? Yes, $50,000. That's it. But when you put it into the best retirement fund and you structure it properly using the education that we share with you and the principles that are behind the best retirement fund, you're now able to borrow that money from another bucket, the second bucket, so that your bucket continues to grow and compound as if it has never been touched. If you don't understand this, please send me a direct message. If you understand this, you would not operate any other way with any of your finances because of the way you're able to get two hits on the same money. All right. So I just wanted to share this with you because I've talked about it in multiple videos in the past. I'm trying to bring as much so that you understand. I understand people are visual, auditory, and they have to actually do it. Please ask me any and all questions that come up as a result of seeing this, because the more questions you ask, the more education you receive. If it's not for me, find someone else. Get the education and the knowledge because this can change your life. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a great one.